Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Make sure you have subscription ID and owner or service administrator rights, because you will need them when filing a request. Next, open the Azure portal and view usage plus quotas for the specific service and region. Note the current quota values and the exact resource SKU so your request is precise. Once done, prepare a short technical justification explaining why you need the increase and the expected timeline. This speeds up reviewer decisions. You now create the quota request. Go to Support, choose New Support Request, and pick Quotas as the issue type. Select the exact service and region to avoid rejection. Enter numeric targets, specify new limits like 100 vCPUs or 2 TB, because precise numbers shorten review time. Then upload supporting docs, architecture diagrams, traffic projections, and maintenance windows so reviewers understand the why and the urgency. After that, choose escalation level and preferred SLA to match your business needs. You finish by monitoring the support center for the request ID and status updates. Keep notifications enabled so you react quickly. Once approved, immediately provision resources in the same region and run validation tests. Deploy a small workload to confirm capacity, performance, and quotas applied. If the request is denied or partial, make sure to read reviewer notes, refine your justification with additional metrics, and request a manual review or a phone callback. That step often resolves subtle billing or complaints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.